can see it.
They all kind of blend together.
Red, yellow, green, and blue, and purple. That's all I can see.
Hey, so here's a video about how we finished up our shed. Well, it's almost finished. Just a little bit of paint and then we're there. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 of our shed build, I'm gonna put it right here. You might wanna check it out because it's gonna tell you a little bit more about the basic construction, how we did the floors and the walls. One of the main reasons we went ahead and did this shed build right now, even though it did put us back a little bit on the house build, is that we're getting lots of practice on the build and we're gonna get an idea for what the house might look like. We're really gonna pattern the design after the house. That way, we're getting good practice at our framing, our roofing, finishing, all of those things. We're seeing how we like the materials we wanna use, and we're gonna see how it looks and make sure we're in love with it before we invest in doing it on our entire house. For our roofing, we did metal. It's actually called, I think, bronze on the color. It's basically just a dark brown. And again, this is basically what we want to do on our house. So this is all practice, making sure we like how to do it, we know how to do it, and that we like how it looks in the end. For our siding, we used hardy board. Now, this is a concrete composite that's really popular right now. It's very durable, it's very strong, it's gonna last a long time. The con side of it is that we learned that it is kind of hard to work with. It's very heavy, it's really dusty and hard to cut. But again, it's gonna last longer. It reminds me a little bit of sheetrock and how it works, the dust, all those kinds of things. But again, really durable. We're gonna paint it. As you've seen, we've already primed the outside, and then we're gonna do maybe like a dark green color that we're gonna test out. The dimensions we did for this shed are 10 by 20. We got a nice big loft up in the top that I'm gonna show you in just a minute. All right guys, so we got this shed because we have a lot of stuff like Ryan talked about in the last video. We really needed some coverage from the weather. We needed some place to keep our tools, our lawnmower, storage. So this is doing all these things for it. So enough about me, let's take a look inside. For those of you who did see our first video, you saw more details about our laundry hookup here. Just an update, everything's working great. Once you get that big bundle done, you can get to where you're in a routine with laundry. It's really great. I do a load about every other day, and it's keeping up really nicely. You just have to time it right where you don't need a lot of water at the same time, and it works great. So we're really happy to have it in here. For our loft area, instead of doing a straight up and down ladder, we kind of went for a steep staircase, because we knew the kids were gonna wanna play up there and we're gonna be storing things and that's gonna be really hard to manage. So we did stairs with a quick landing, removable steps, and of course, baby gate. So as you can see, it's really spacious up here. No lights yet, but we've got lots of space for storage, and the girls love to play when it's not too hot. So this awesome shed has given us a lot of storage. It's given a play place. It's given us laundry. And if some of you are still thinking about the title, who are the new members of your family? If you clicked on this because of that, I'm sorry you fell into my clickbait trap. But we do have new members of our family. So let's go see them. Little Roxy is tired. She needs a nap.
She needs a nap.
You're tired, Ace. Ace, are you a tired boy? Gentle, Eliza. Gentle.
tired.
Do you like that doggy?